Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Ranger in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency for 4x4ing, some towing, hauling, whatever you want to do with this vehicle. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back seat, we have seating for 3 comfortably. You do have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders in the middle and a 12-volt power outlet there in the middle, and the rear seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your little storage compartments underneath. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car, your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information with info such as your digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel economy for said trip, and then you can also go into your fuel economy separately, your truck info such as your power distribution, driver assistance features, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on, you do also have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock there. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay comfortable at different temperatures. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Moving on from that, you have your hazards here, and then your media controls and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. Then down below that, you have 2 12-volt power outlets and 2 USBs, so you can plug something into power charge from there. Then you have your auto start stop shut off, your locking rear differential, your tow haul mode, traction control shut off, and your 4x4 selector. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then you have your parking brake, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty relatively spacious inside for all of your stuff. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.